Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe Brown, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Can I talk? I have that scripted so much in my mind that it's just like, nah, 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 nah. Wow. Okay. Today, I'm going to show you this look. I mean, it's on my face too, but let me show you a picture. It's really simple and really pretty. And you guys really liked it. So I got tons of requests. How do you do that tiny little wing? Simple makeup look. Show me, please. So today I'm going to show you that. Let's just get right into the video. Let's have some fun. Okay. Hello. So I've been doing this makeup look recently that's actually pretty simple. I haven't been wearing false eyelashes, which is crazy. Hold on. I said I was gonna stop drinking coffee. I'm not. All right. So first things first, chapstick. Gotta moisturize those lips because they be chapped. You pick up this very high quality, expensive chapstick. So moisturize like normal. Do whatever you do to moisturize. Sound good? Okay. Recently, I've been like breaking out under my eye. I think that I developed a allergy to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I picked up this Bye Bye Under Eye from It Cosmetics. I'm in the color Light Tan. And literally you just take like the smallest little bit of this makeup. It goes a long way. And I've been putting my concealer on first. Call me crazy, but I want to protect whatever's going on here before I put on my CC cream because I don't want my eyes to break out. So I just put this on with my finger very lightly. This stuff has really good coverage and it's buildable, which is great. It's really creamy and pretty thick, but it honestly spreads out beautifully. And then I see this little pimple, so I'm just gonna pretend like it's not there anymore. Okay, first off, let's talk about my skin for a second. It's gotten a lot better, way less breakouts. I was just on my period and I had like 4 or 5 pimples. Like, that's it. For me, that's like, hallelujah. You know what the secret is? Just talk to your face. Like, ask it how it's doing. And if it gets mad, it'll tell you. Because it'll just be like, shut up. Don't talk to your face. That's really weird. Just figure out a thing that works for you. It took me a really long time. And my skin's still not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. You know what I mean? Okay. I forgot probably the most important step. My ear needs to pop. Did you hear that? That was weird. Okay, so I listen to you guys. You think I don't listen to you, but sometimes I do. A lot of you guys were like, now that your hair's blonder, you should really lighten up your eyebrows. I didn't disagree. I agree. So, Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, the stuff that I've been using all the time. I woke up like this, by the way. This is amazing. I used to use medium brown. Now I use soft brown. So thank you for your suggestion. I just lift up the very top on an angled brush, and I'm just going to fill in the front pieces that need to be touched up. Okay, I don't know if they're related today. Hopefully they're stepsisters. We'll see. Let me tell you though, it is very hard to do makeup like this when I'm used to like a big mirror and then a small mirror right in my face. But we're making it work. Okay. NYX brow mascara in brunette. This stuff really makes my eyebrows work. It brushes everything in place. It adds like another dimension of color, which makes them appear more real. Because, I mean, I don't have any eyebrow hairs like up in this front region, so I like to fake it. I've tried with, you know, pencil. No, girl. I'm not that talented. I can't do that. That's not my forte of makeup. So this is what works for me. Enough of that. Let's go on to face now that I've done my eyebrows. Usually I do my eyebrows first before I do my concealer. I just forgot. I'm so excited about the concealer. Okay, It Cosmetics CC Cream. Oh, I love this stuff. It is full coverage, and the color light is actually too dark for my face right now, so I'm just gonna bring it all down my neck to, you know, make it look like I have a tan. So that's as much as I use. One pump here, one pump there, and then I like to brush it down and just a little bit up here. The Morphe sponge, this guy. This is the one that like looks like an egg but has like a flat top, you know? I love it. So I use this flat part as, you know, the pitter patter, the tap tap. Anyways, I use that, and then for underneath my eyes, because I have that sensitivity right now. If I need to like pat something down, then I only use this side for under my eyes. Which you would think that like, why wouldn't you use the flat side? I don't know. Don't ask questions. So this beauty blender is damp, and I clean it almost every single time I wash my face. Especially since I've been struggling with acne, I like to wash it every time, and I use the Dr. Bronner's tea tree soap. So tea tree is known for killing bacteria. I like to think that it kills the bacteria. I don't know. I don't know. But sure, it works. And then flipped it around, patting in my under eye and on top. Just making sure that it's all blended in. Okay, flipped it around again and moved on my nose. Oh, by the way, every time I wear these earrings, I get a lot of questions, so I'll go ahead and put the link to these earrings down below too. They're amazing. They come in a pack of 4. They're like $6 from Amazon. They're really good quality. They don't make my eyes break out, or my eyes. Why would they make my eyes break out? My ears. They don't make my ears break out, but I like them a lot. Okay, since we're going for a more natural look all around, I'm not gonna like bake my face, but I am going to use my Leisure Minerals setting powder. And this is weird, but I'm just going to stick my finger in there and then lightly set my under eye so there's not too much product on there, but just a little bit, because sometimes when I use my sponge or like a brush, it's like a lot and it really brightens up the face. So whenever I do my eye makeup like this, it's literally, I just use my bronzer and my highlighter. That is it. So I'm going to take the Morphe E22 brush. I just got this brush at a beauty show. It's amazing. And I'm going to take the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this is in the color Bronzer. Just going to rub that in there. My ear needs to pop. And then we're just going to lightly go on our eyes and just add some color that will match our face later. So it's just very simple eye. All right, now with the little outer corner, I like to add a little bit of something. Usually I'll just take like a random brown from like the Jaclyn Hill palette, just a little bit of depth, not too much. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I'm gonna show it to you guys today because this is the color Cork from MAC. And I'm just gonna literally pat it. Pat it on the outside corner. Just, oh, didn't see where I was going up there. Almost missed my eye. Okay, and then now that it's patted in, I'm just gonna lightly add just that dimension in the outer corner of the eye. Didn't do much, but it did something. Okay, like I said, you don't have to do it. You can use a darker color too if you want, like, you know. Now for the special trick that like makes it look like you did something. So I don't know why I haven't gotten a new one of these. I think it's just because there's a lot of product still in here, so why throw it away when it's still good? So this is the Precious Petals color from Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Glow highlighter. Just stick your finger right in there, you know. I don't spray it or anything. And then just put it on your eyelid. Like so. To add some color and tell everybody I did something today. I'd spent some time on this eye. When in reality, it's like the simplest eye look ever. Okay, now for the the all-star of this makeup look. I think you guys are like, how do you get that baby wing? I don't know. Like, I thought one day, I was like, I don't want a huge wing. I want a tiny wing. And usually I bring my eyeliner all the way in if I do a wing. So I started just doing it like halfway to like maybe 3/4 of the way in. Nope. 1/4, 1/3 of the way in. It's like 1/3. It's not a quarter. It's like more than that. So like right where the highlighter starts, that's like where I stop my eyeliner. So the eyeliner that I use, and I've been using for a very long time, is the NYX Liquid Matte, or the Matte Liquid Liner, and this is in the color black. It's a brush. It works really good. If you guys are having issues with brushes, the Almay one is really good because it's like a foam tip. I just spit everywhere. It's a foam tip and it works well too. Okay, so I take it here and I just flip it out just a little bit. Why are my eyes so red? What happened? Anyways, ignore that. Oh, I didn't even have the microphone. Hold on. Little tip here. And that's it. Just a little thing right there. I honestly didn't do it that great, and that's because my elbow's not on a table. Good enough. Okay, let me scoot on back. You see that? It's just a little baby thing, you know? Scoot on back. Now I'm gonna brush all this away. You could have done that before you started your eyeliner. You probably want to do that before you start your eyeliner, because if you bring your eyeliner too low and then you brush it off and then like eyeliner gets on your brush and then it's like all over your face, you're gonna regret that. So then I put a coat of mascara on. Any coat will do, and I'll show you why in a second. I just like to do it fast because that stuff does dry on your eyelashes and it can clump them together. So you want to put the slightest bit of mascara on. Sometimes I do it in between eyes too. So I'll do this eyeliner and I'll just put a tiny bit of mascara on and then move to the other one. It just depends on how precise you are with your eyeliner, because sometimes you get a lot on your eyelashes and sometimes you don't get any at all. So then we're going to let that dry and we're going to move on to our face, because I'm going to do more for my eyes in a minute. So take that butter bronzer again in the color bronzer. I'm going to use a fan brush. I've been using a fan brush recently. I realized I kind of started going ham on my bronzer and it wasn't looking cute. Like it didn't look good. It didn't look good at all. So I started using this fan brush to be a little more light-handed, and it ended up working in my favor, I think. So put some of that on the brush and just a smidge. Isn't that perfect? It's like a perfect application. Okay. Maybe I did a little too much on there, but then we're gonna bring it up on our forehead and pretend that our neck is bronzed, or that we have like a tan, when honestly every single piece of coloring on our face and our neck is fake. Oh, my shoulders are showing too. I should probably do my shoulders, because everybody's gonna know my secrets. You don't want them to find out. Okay, going to the cheeks. We're gonna add some peachy peachy. Okay, so this is the Beach Peach from Physicians Formula. This is their butter blush. If you guys haven't used the butter collection, it's amazing. It's like butter. I wonder why they named it butter. Just a few swatches on there. I used to use the Milani Baked Luminoso. I loved that stuff. I still do. But this is just like a more simpler sheen. Not as like shimmery. I'm going to go back to my mascara because it's probably dry now. This is the Physicians Formula Lash Mixologist. So I actually used to use Physicians Formula it kind of looked like an asparagus head. That mascara is amazing, by the way. It is really good. But I got this one has a lengthening side and a volumizing side. I'm going to use the lengthening side. I have not been wearing false eyelashes because of this. So, put some length on my eyelashes. And I think the trick is having a coat of mascara on before and then using this stuff. Because it just makes everything longer. And I used to do this too, like add a lot of different types of mascara on. Sometimes it looked like a spider. You just have to find the right combination that works for you. Okay, and now we're gonna go on the volumizing side, which kind of looks, I don't know. Can you tell what it looks like? There we go. All right, for me, that's a lot of eyelash. Okay, then I take the eyebrow mascara and I just coat my bottom lashes with it because I don't want my bottom lashes to be black, but I like them brown. So now we move on to highlighter. Go back in with the Precious Petals. I like to very lightly, like that, nose. There we go. And then take like a white color. I use the color from the Gold Rush palette from BH Cosmetics. I use this white. And just take your finger and kind of do it like that. And then if you want, you could spray. I use the Mario Badescu Rose spray. Alrighty guys, so here is the final look. So simple, yet you feel so put together. And that's what I really love about this look. I feel like it's me just like enhanced a little bit. I can definitely say that I have been going a little ham with makeup, especially because I've been so insecure about my skin that I just wanted to like cover everything up and just like draw attention to my eyes with false eyelashes and be like, look at my eyes and not my face. But I definitely feel more me like this, and I know that this is an everyday look for you guys out there too, to feel put together, to feel like you are not faking it, but just enhancing your natural beauty and not using a lot of products either. So I hope that this video helped you, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.